Dear students, welcome to my video. Chapter 7 Triangles Part 3. Today we are going to discuss more problems related to congruence of triangles. The question is, triangle ABC and triangle DBC are two isosceles triangles on the same base BC and vertices A and D are on the same side of BC. If AD extended to intersect BC at P, show that subquestion A, triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD, subquestion B, triangle ABP congruent to triangle ACP, subquestion C, AP bisect angle A as well as angle D, and subquestion D, AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. The question is given that triangle ABC and triangle DBC are isosceles triangle. So we can say AB equal to AC and BD equal to DC. Okay. So first we have to prove triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD. In these two triangles we can observe that AB equal to the sides AB and AC are equal and BD equal to CD and the common side AD is equal to AD. See, AB equal to AC given, BD equal to CD given, AD equal to AD common side. So, by using SSS congruence rule, we can say these two triangles are congruent. What are they? Triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD. Then also we can say by CPCT angle BAD is equal to angle CAD and angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. We only taking two pairs. The third pair also there, but we need only two pair. We need the next problems. Okay. Then subquestion B. What is subquestion B? Triangle ABP congruent to triangle ACP. For this, see, in triangle ABP, AB and in triangle ACP, AC, that is isosceles triangle, we know AB equal to AC, it is given. So AB equal to AC given. Then AP is the common side of these two triangles, so AP equal to AP common side. And also we already we proved angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. That means we can write BAD instead of BAD we can write BAP, and instead of CAD we can write CAP. That two angles are equal. Okay, so we get angle BAP is equal to angle CAP from what? So triangle ABP congruent to triangle ACP by SAS. By SAS congruence rule, we can say these two triangles are congruent. That is triangle ABP congruent to triangle ACB, which implies BP equal to PC and also angle BPA is equal to angle CPA by CPCD. We need these two pairs for the next subquestions. Okay. Then subquestion C, AP bisect angle A as well as angle D. So here we already proved angle BAP is equal to angle CAP. What is the meaning? That meaning is AP, the line AP bisect angle A. Both angles are equal. So AP bisect angle A. So we need to prove AP bisect angle D. For this, in triangle ABD and triangle ACD, we can write angle BAD plus angle ABD is equal to angle CAD plus angle ACD. Both are equal because they are congruent. Already we proved the two triangles are congruent. So we take in two congruent angles. So BAD plus ABD is equal to CAD plus ACD. Okay. So by exterior angle property, we know these sum of these two angles is equal to angle BDP and sum of these two angles is equal to angle CDP. So we can write angle BDP is equal to angle CDP by exterior angle property. So we can say DP bisect angle D and we can say AP bisect angle A as well as angle D. Then sub question D, AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. See, angle BPA plus angle CPA, it is making a linear pair, that is 180 degree. Sum of that two angles is equal to 180 degree. We know that two angles are equal. So we can write 2 of angle BPA equal to 180 degree. So angle BPA equal to 90 degree. That means that two angles are 90 degree. So we can say AP is perpendicular to BC and also BP equal to CP, already we proved. So we can say AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Okay. The next problem, AD is an altitude of an isosceles triangle ABC in which AB equal to AC. Show that sub question A, AD bisect BC, and sub question B, AD bisect angle A. The question is given that angle ADB and angle ADC both are 90 degree. So these two triangles are what? Right angled triangle. Okay, in this problem we can use RHS congruence rule. So here AB equal to AC. Already the question is given isosceles triangle, isosceles right hand triangle. Okay, so AB equal to AC. It is given and AD is the common side. And also angle ADB is equal to angle ADC, it is 90 degree. So right angle R means right angle, it is given. H means hypotenuse, that is AB and AC both are equal and any side. So we take AD is the common side. So these two triangles are congruent by RHS rule. So triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD. So by using CPCT, BD equal to CD. BD equal to CD means what? AD bisect BC. BD equal to CD means AD bisect BC. So this is the question number, sub question A. Then sub question B, what? Angle. We have to prove AD bisect angle A. For this, angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. This is also by using by CPCT. So we can say AD bisect angle BAC, that is angle A. AD bisect angle A. Ready? The next one, BE and CF are two equal altitudes of a triangle ABC. Using RHS congruence rule, prove that the triangle ABC is isosceles. We know in an isosceles triangle, two sides are equal, right? And two angles are also equal, that base angles are equal, or opposite of equal sides, the angles are equal. That means angles opposite to the sides are equal and sides opposite to the angles are also equal in the case of isosceles triangle. So here we have to take the triangle BFC and CEB. Here we can see that BE equal to CF, it is given, and BC equal to CB, it is the common side, and angle BFC equal to angle BEC, each 90 degree. By RHS rule, we can say triangle BFC is congruent to triangle CEB. Okay, so by CPCT, angle FBC equal to angle ECB. Okay, FBC equal to angle ECB. That means that is angle ABC equal to angle ACB, because this is the small and this is the bigger. So we can take FBC, instead of FBC we take ABC, instead of ECB we take ACB. Both are equal. Then base angles are equal. That is, we can say in an isosceles triangle, base angles are equal, that is opposite of these two angles, the sides are equal. That means sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal, that is AC equal to AB. Therefore we can say triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay. The next problem, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle with the AB equal to AC. Draw AP perpendicular to BC to show that angle B equal to angle C. Very simple problem. Here we have a triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. So AB equal to AC and AP is perpendicular to BC, means the angle APB is equal to AP and angle APC equal to 90 degree, both are 90 degree. So by using RHS rule, see AB equal to AC given, AP equal to AP common side, angle APB is equal to angle APC, each 90 degree. So triangle ABP congruent to triangle ACP by RHS rule. So we can say angle B equal to angle C by using corresponding parts of congruent triangle or CPCT. Okay. Thanks for watching my video. Please wait for next video. Thank you.